Hi, I'm Simon from Production Gear, and this is the new Sennheiser XSW radio microphone system. Roughly a third smaller than a traditional body pack system, the XSW operates on the license-free 2.4 GHz frequency. The XSW is an ideal system that won't break the bank and is available in different configurations, including transmitters and receivers with mini jack and XLR connectors. Perfect for use with DSLR cameras, the mini jack system comes with a quality Sennheiser lapel microphone and a 3.5 to 3.5 output cable. The XLR kit comes with a plug-in transmitter for stick mics and an XLR receiver for pro camcorders. Unsurprisingly, at this price point, the XLR transmitter does not provide phantom power. No matter which version you buy, the units are mix and match, allowing you to pair a mini jack transmitter with an XLR receiver or vice versa. In real life, we've seen run times of around 6 hours. The battery is not interchangeable and it's charged via a USB-C cable. If you're looking for a no-hassle plug-and-play radio microphone system, the XSW may be the system that you've been waiting for.